Hey y'all, I'm about to tell you some scary shit right here. Me and my boy, we was smoking on a joint, walking through the forest all nonchalantly and shit. You know how we do. And out pops a motherfucking polar bear. I was high as fuck, but it was a polar bear, all right. Looked at my boy, I was like, damn! I thought they lived up there in the Arctic. Looked at me and said, me too. Yeah, it was some scary ass shit. And you know all niggas are good for short bursts of speed, so I was gone. I was out. Left left my nigga back there for bear food. Times is rough.